Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome to Find Your Maid.
Thank you.
Please tell us something about your work experience.
Mm, I worked before in Kuwait as a housemaid.
Okay.
Um, and then as of now, I'm in Dubai. My visa will finish at November 13
Oh,
as a babysitter.
okay. So, can you give me a little bit background regarding your work in Kuwait as a housemaid?
My work in Kuwait, all around. Then sometimes I cook for Arabic foods.
Okay. And why you are looking for a new employer and find another job?
Because I want to earn more salary.
How much
So
salary are you looking for?
now my salary is 1,005, so I want higher than that.
Okay. Are you married or single?
Married.
Okay. Do you have
So
any?
with two children, son.
Okay. I will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay?
Yeah.
If the baby is non-stop crying, what will you do?
I will bring it outside to see what is or see anything outside to make it laugh.
Okay. What else?
Yeah. Or maybe she's crying because she's hungry. I will give food for her. Or
Okay. And how do you know if the baby got sick?
get sick. I know uh, because of fever, hot. The body is hot. The baby, because
Okay.
if they are sick, the eyes is not that good.
And if the baby got sick and the employer is not in the house, what will you do?
I will call the employer.
Okay. How about cooking? You're good in cooking?
Cooking, yeah. I know how to cook Arabic foods,
Okay.
but not all Arabic food I know.
Okay.
And then I can bake cake, and
Okay.
then I want to learn some foods.
Okay. And how about cleaning the house? Which area do you usually start working in?
Maybe it's depend upon the employer because not all employers are the same. Because some of the employer first cleaning in first in the kitchen in the early morning, or some of
Okay.
the employer in the bathroom before they are waking up, or some of the employer first outside of the house cleaning first. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's depend upon the employer.
And why do you think you should be hired?
Why I think I should be here, because I know that I am hardworking. Hardworking first of all, and then approachable, honest, trustworthy.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.